So in this video, I will be explaining you how to do keyword research for your YouTube videos. If you have a YouTube channel or if you want to do YouTube marketing for your business, you need to do keyword research before uploading or creating your videos. Otherwise, if you are not doing this keyword research process, you may miss your potential traffic for your business also. Let me tell you, okay, what is keyword research first of all. So let's say, assume that you are having a business of teaching your singing course. Assume that you are a singer and you are doing a singing course business. You are teaching that singing course. Now you want to promote that business through YouTube. What you can do here is you can upload videos on your uh, YouTube channel by singing or by sharing your singing tips and all those things. So here what happens is you need to know what people are searching to find singer trainers or singing instructors, vocal instructors or like that. So you need to know what people are searching for the singing course. For that you need to do keyword research. Then only they can find your videos and they can reach you. That is how you get inquiries, leads and ultimately revenue. So we have tools like YouTube Keyword Tool. This is from Ahrefs and you need to click on this YouTube. Currently this tool is under maintenance, so that is why you can't use this tool, but meanwhile you can use keyword generator. This tool also you can use. Let's say if you want to use for singing course, let's see, select your country also. I am just typing singing, that's it. Find keywords. You can see here singing classes near me. You can use this singing classes term in your video title, video description and all all those terms. Yeah, online singing class also you can use, classical singing class also you can use. So based on these keywords you need to create content around it. Then only your video, your customers will find and they will become your customers. Otherwise, let's say people are searching with these keywords, and if you are uploading videos without these keywords, assume that if you are uploading without these keywords, they will never find you because you don't know what people are searching to find any singing instructor. That is why we need to do keyword research. So Ahrefs is one such tool, and not only this tool, and YouTube also recently brought a tool called Trends. So this tool you can find it in your YouTube channel backend. Go to your YouTube studio or studio.youtube.com. In the left side panel under dashboard content, you will find something called analytics. Click on that analytics. After clicking on analytics, you have something called trends. Click on the trends. After clicking on the trends, you just search with your keyword. Let's say I am here clicking singing, just typing singing, that's it. Yeah, you can see here singing in the rain, singing song, singing both. Just click on the singing and see what YouTube is giving actually. Top searches for this topic: karaoke song and lyrics, songs for song English, songs with lyrics in English, show all. If you click on show all, you will find other search queries also, and here you are getting the volume details also. Volume means number of people searching. Let's say songs for English songs, low volume, that means very less people are searching. Here you have medium volume, karaoke song and lyrics. So here medium means little more than the low volume. Actually medium means more people are searching. If you see high volume, songs with the lyrics English, that means more number of people searching this search query actually. That is why we need to know the what people are searching actually. So let's say now I will type instead of that, let me type singing course or singing classes. Let me see what people are searching. Yeah, now if you click on the show all, you can see guitar classes from basics, singing classes for beginners English. Yeah, now you need to create, if you are a singing instructor or if you are a singing course trainer, you need to pick these keywords and you can record one singing class for beginners and upload it on your YouTube channel. After watching your beginner singing class, if they understand and if they are able to practice and if they get that output, from your singing class assignment, they might join you, they might call you, they might inquire you. That is how you get leads, inquiries, and ultimately students. How to improve your singing? Yeah, this is for already entry level singers. They are singers, but they don't know the music and all those things. But you can share tips for them also. Singing competition auditions, vocal exercises to warm up voice. So based on these search queries, you need to create your content. So YouTube is ultimate tool that I can tell you, because why? Because you may have third party tools also. This data is coming directly from YouTube. YouTube knows who is searching, okay, who is searching and with what they are searching. You can come and check here, and in YouTube Studio only I will tell you another tool instead of trends. Here you have another tool, AI tools for brainstorm video ideas have moved to inspiration. Click on this, go to inspiration. This you will find in the content section. Under dashboard you will find content. If you click on content, in the first section itself is inspiration. Here you are seeing this is giving ideas for my YouTube channel. Actually you can enter your topic. Let's say your topic is singing course. You can click on singing course, click on get suggestions. Here you can see, yeah, learn singing for beginners tutorials. Here it is giving you the video titles also. Learn singing for beginners tutorial, master vocal warm-ups and all those things. So I recommend you to use this tool as your primary tool for keyword research. And you have YouTube auto suggest also, that also I will show you. YouTube auto suggest means, let's say you are giving a singing course, no? Let me type Western singing. Just I typed Western singing, that's it. Now YouTube is automatically suggesting. After clicking on singing, just I gave space, that's it. YouTube is giving you the keyword ideas. YouTube singing lessons for beginners, one keyword is there. Classes for beginners. YouTube singing Western singing competition, Western singing songs, Western singing lessons. You can pick keywords related to your business only, instead of picking all the keywords. You can pick topics related to your thing only. Western singing lessons for beginners, classes for Western singing competition. Let's say if you are not arranging any competition, or you don't know anything about competition, you can skip this keyword. So that is how you need to keep you need to pick the keywords, right keywords for your business, and you need to prepare content around those keywords. So you have other tool also. We have a tool called VidIQ. This tool is also for YouTubers. I highly recommend you to create account and connect your YouTube channel. So it automatically suggests, actually it automatically suggests the keywords. In free version to some extent it gives you, but if you upgrade it this tool, it gives you more keywords also. For time being, I don't recommend. If you are a completely beginner and if your budget is low, I don't recommend you to purchase any paid tool. You can use YouTube tool also, which I shown you. Or else if your budget suggests, you can come and you can search here also, singing course. I am typing just singing course. Let me search actually. Yeah, it is giving, okay, yeah, overall score 57. Yeah, people are searching like that. Singing tutorial, vocal hacks, vocal warm-ups. Yeah, few keywords it is revealing in the free version. If you take paid version, again it will give you more data. Yeah, people are searching for full singing course free also. Singing course for beginners, singing course lesson 1. Yeah, you can upload it as a series of videos also, lesson 1, lesson 2, lesson 3, like that also. How to get better at singing course, how to learn singing full course, and all those things. So that's it for this video. If you are a YouTuber and if you want to create more videos for your niche or for your business, you can use this keyword search methods and create content around it. In this case, I shown you singing course as for my demonstration purpose. You can search your business related keywords. So that's it for this video. My name is Digital John. I am an experienced digital marketing trainer and digital marketing content creator. If you want to learn digital marketing from me on one-to-one or in the live online classes, you can call me or you can reach me. I'll give you my contact number in the video description. You can reach me, or else you can DM me on LinkedIn. So I'll give you my LinkedIn details also, and you can reach me if you really want to learn digital marketing from me. Thank you so much for watching this video. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and I I thank all my viewers. If you are watching my videos, I really thank you. Thank you for watching my videos and encouraging me, and keep supporting me. And so that if you want any videos from me also, upload, just inform me through comment section. I will bring those videos for you. Thank you so much for watching this video.